The mindset that starts a business is not the mindset that grows it. It's the complete opposite.
How can we go from chasing to attracting?
When you can make money, you have more freedom.
But that morning when you wake up and you don't want to get out of bed, you need a really strong why to lean on.
You've got a seat around the table, and that tells me a lot about your determination and dedication to wanting to grow your wedding businesses.
The very first thing that I did in my business was realise I couldn't do it all myself and that I needed to start to build a team.